Yo, this is Narrow Codes. Yeah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to host your HTML and CSS on GitHub. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to open up my browser and I already have GitHub open. I'm going to click repositories new to open up a new repository. I'm going to name this host on GitHub. Let's do initialize this repository with a readme. So create. Okay, so you can see host on GitHub. So I'm going to clone this. Come to my terminal here, do git clone, paste it, clone in. Okay, it's been cloned. I'm going to change directory, host on GitHub, master. I'm going to open up this my code editor. Yeah, so this is empty right now. Let's sharply create some HTML, index.html. Okay, so reason why we do um, index.html, that's the entry point for the application, basically. So in your root directory, you should have an index file. You should always have an index file. Let's just add some CSS. We add the CSS later. Let's just do this. I don't know, I have a habit of doing this every time. I always do the header, the main, and the footer. Okay, so we have that. Let's put some body h1 host on GitHub. Yeah. Okay, main. Let's put two sections. Section. This one should have, let's say, a profile picture. Profile pic. Yeah, let's put a figure, image. Let's just put profile pic. We'll name the picture profile pic. The JPEG. Alt. Just gonna put me. Fake caption. Let's do fake caption. Yeah, error codes. Yep. Okay. That's one section. Let's do the second section. Let's just name it stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna have a H2 here. And let's put some random stuff. A UL. Yeah, an ordered list. Let's go LI HNG internship. HNG internship alumni. Yep. LI, let's go. What else? What else? Oh, I'm a software engineer. Engineer. Yeah. What else? Let's say I love dancing. Yeah. One last thing. Yeah, anime is life. Okay, so let's come down to the footer. Let's put some basic stuff. Neural codes, yeah. Copyright, nah, not that. Copy. This is 2019. Okay, so I think it looks good to me. If I save this, yeah. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on the browser. So I'm just going to start a basic server. Ooh. I'm sorry. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so I have started the server. I'm going to open it up on the browser. Let's have localhost 5000. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like now. Just the HTML. So I'm going to copy and paste CSS. I already have the CSS somewhere else. Let's open this. Let's do this. Copy this and the image. This is not. Yeah. So copy, host in GitHub, and paste this here. Yeah. So right now we have the profile pic. Yeah, this is me. We also have some CSS with everything. So let's see what that looks like. We refresh the page. Oh, yeah, cool. This looks good. Okay, so now we have the basics set down. So we are going to open up our terminal and we are going to do a git status to check the changes we have made. We've added 3 files. We do a git add, we do a git commit, message, let's just say added stuff. Yeah. Okay, so we have this committed. So now for us to be able to host on GitHub pages, we have to create a new branch called gh-pages. So you check out a new branch, git checkout minus b uh, gh pages. Yeah, so we do a git push origin head. This just pushes to the current branch you're on. So it's going to push gh-pages branch to our repository, and we're going to push this. Okay, wait, loading. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so we go back to our browser. If you come to the repository, let's refresh this. We see master, and we see we have 2 branches. We have our gh-pages here, and you can see we have the files. So if we simply just go to um, let's see. Oh, if you just check settings, actually, this is one way. Check settings, and you would see, yes, your site is published at. Click on the URL, and voila, you have your site hosted on GitHub. Okay, so thank you for this tutorial. That's all. You can slow it down, watch it again. Um, and that's all. So you can follow me on Twitter. Yeah, this is my Twitter profile at narrowcodes. Yo, see you later. Have fun learning how to program and everything. Thanks for joining. See you on the next tutorial.